Fake it till you make it. You might have heard this statement often on social media from your friends, your colleagues, or someone in your life. Today in this video, I'll talk about specifically how this statement, fake it till you make it, has helped me to grow personally and professionally in my life. So stay tuned till the end of this video and you will get some pointers as how you can transform your life personally and professionally in all ways and in all aspects of your life. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Rohit and I'm a blogger turned a business developer turned a digital career coach now, and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 students to get the job of their dreams. So talking about this statement, fake it till you make it. Well, I personally believe that it is nothing but just a state of mind. Fake it, most of the people think that when the word comes fake, then you are trying to be fraud with someone, you are trying to lie to someone. But I believe that it is not that case when it comes to this statement, fake it till you make it, because I'll talk about what I have done and how I have used this statement and this technique for myself, for my transformation personally. So fake it till you make it is just nothing but just a belief system that you develop over a period of time, and it is being performed at some certain situations where you are stuck in your life, where you don't know what to do next, or even maybe when you are overwhelmed with the surroundings, with the knowledge, with the skills that you have, right? So how do you do that? This statement, fake it till you make it, has helped me personally and professionally for the past so many years, and I was doing it unknowingly. I didn't know what to call it, but I was practicing it every single day, and that's how it has helped me to grow personally, professionally. So let me tell you what exactly you have to do. Now, whenever you are stuck in any situation, in any aspect of your life, whether it's your health, wealth, relationship, whether it's your relationship with your friend, your family, with your loved ones, or it is your job, your business, or whatever that you're doing in your life, or even if it's your health. Now, you have to imagine yourself in the ideal conditions. Now, what do I mean by that? Okay, let's discuss with the help of some examples. Now, just imagine yourself, whatever you are doing in your life, you are into job, or you are preparing for some exam, or you are having a bad relationship with your loved ones, with your family, friends, or anyone. Imagine that for yourself. Now you might close your eyes and listen to my voice as what I'm saying, and you have to just think of the words that I'll be speaking from next. Now imagine yourself as whatever the problems that you are having in your life right now, and next imagine what will be the ideal conditions if you are given the chance that whatever that you can dream of will become successful. You will be able to achieve all those things. You will be able to have a happy, healthy relationship for yourself, for your loved ones, for your family, for anyone. Or if you are into job, or if you are preparing for some exam, you will be able to clear the exam, and you have become the person you wanted to be. You have become an IAS, you have become an IPS, you have cleared all the exams that you are preparing for, and if you are into job right now, then you are having the handsome amount of salary that you ever dreamed of. Now, there are two situations. This is your current situation, that is your reality, and this is the second situation, which is the ideal condition, the ideal situation that you want for yourself, right? Now, being in the reality, being in the situation, what you have to do is you have to think about the ideal situation. You have to think about the ideal condition, right? You have to develop the mindset. See, right now, whatever the result that you are having for yourself, whatever things that are happening in your life right now, is because of your current mindset and nothing else. So if you want some results going for yourself in your life, You have to first be that person that is already successful, that is already in IAS, that is already in IPS, that is already having lakhs of salary, that is doing so many sales every single day. Or you can fit your example into that. Whatever is your ideal situation, or whatever is your ideal person, you need to be that. Because once you become that, everything will become sorted for yourself. So be that person. Have that mindset. Now, being in the reality, how you can be that person? Now you have to fake it. As the title of this video is Fake It Till You Make It. You have to fake it being in the reality. And you have to fake it until you be that person, until you become successful, until you have that salary, until you become an IAS, until you crack your next exam, until you have that dream salary that you want, until you start your own venture, or whatever the situation or whatever the goal that you want to achieve for yourself. I have done that for myself and practiced for the past so many years, and I have got results using this technique, fake it till you make it. And I personally believe and I have faith that if you practice it, then you will be getting all the results that you want for yourself. Right? So practice it, and if you have some doubt or any question, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help you in your journey towards your transformation. Right? So that's it for this video. This is Ritual signing off right now. Wish you all the very best, and if you are here for the first time, then consider subscribing to this channel and press the bell notification so that you never miss any update in future. And I want to tell you that in the coming days, I have planned so much of valuable content that's coming your way, and that will help you to grow in your life, in your career, and that will help you in your transformation towards your success. So that's it for this video. Wish you all the very best. God bless. Take care. Cheers. And be proud to be a lifelong learner. Cheers.